Hello, this is Carl Brooks with iamthereforeipad.com, and today I'm sharing with you a jailbroken app for the iPad. I'm currently at the iOS 4.2.1 version on my iPad. Here's my iPad, and I think this application is awesome. Now, as you know, in version 4.2.1, Apple introduced multitasking, and they made the ability for this bar to be able to jump up, and you can go between applications that you previously had open, and that has brought some usefulness to the iPad that had never existed before. But on other platforms such as WebOS, they have a much nicer way to go between applications, and I like those other options, and so Multifl0w gives me that ability similar to the WebOS, where it has cards that you can switch between open applications. And how it works is once the application is indeed installed, you can go into the settings application, and there'll be some extensions that are available in your settings application, and there you see Multifl0w. Click on Multifl0w, and you have some options here. The activation method, so if I click there, I have a series of options that I can go through, and I'll just go through this list. And you see mine is checked for double press on the home button. So that's how I would activate Multifl0w. You have some switcher styles. Exposé is what I currently have it at. You also have the ability to switch it to cards. Cards is more like how the Palm works. And so I'll show you how this works. So currently we're in Exposé. If I activate it, which is to double click my home button, you'll see this is Exposé. So what it does is it displays all of the cards on one screen. So the more applications that I have open, let's just say Instant Paper, I have 4 applications open. If I double click on my home button, I see my 4 applications. Okay? So the other way to do that would be to have it displayed in cards. So we'll change our style from Exposé to cards. So now cards is checked, and now if I double click, I have my applications displayed in cards, and I can just flip through my cards to get to the applications that are currently open. When I get to the end, you see it just bounced and won't go any further. And if I wanted to close one of these applications, notice there's an X on the bottom of each card. Okay, I can just simply click on that X, and that window closes, or that card closes. Want to close the next one, click on it, and it's closed. Very easy. So that's called Multifl0w, $4.99 in the Cydia store. Definitely is a different way of doing it outside of how Apple has designed it. That's simply what jailbreaking allows people to do, is do some alternative ways to work on their iPad. So again, this is Carl Brooks with iamthereforeipad.com, saying I'll see you on the web. See Brooks? Now you don't.